Hi my lovely Libras, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So Libras, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of April 2022. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Now Libras, while pre-shuffling for you guys, I was connecting to a very interesting energy, guys. I was connecting to someone who is who has pulled his or her sword out, like who is not ready to settle in for less, who has all of a sudden started expressing himself or herself, okay? Who is not ready to take a back foot, okay? And interestingly, this is someone who has been a little quiet and subdued, and someone who was non-expressive, okay, non-talkative kind of energy, and all of a sudden they have made switch to this energy of swords, okay, Queen of Swords, wherein like I could sense the transformation from Queen of Cups to Queen of Swords, from emotional to practical, rational. So someone is really very much communicative all of a sudden. I also sense that someone could also be sitting in an energy of little stubbornness or adamance, okay? It's like my way or highway. If you are doing that, please be a little careful, guys. But yes, I feel there is a lot of clarity that someone has got all of a sudden, okay? Clarity of thoughts, clarity of what they want, what they do not want, okay? That kind of energy I was connecting to. Very interesting, guys, and I'm really excited to see what messages we get for you guys for this month. So yeah, that there you go. Queen of Cups has come up in the past position. Didn't I say that? Yep. Strong feminine energy coming through. Need not be the gender need not be female, but a strong feminine energy. It could be a male embodying that energy as well, okay? Yeah, Seven of Wands right below Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, there could be some sort of conflict happening at the workplace, or you might be awaiting something at your workplace. Interesting. So guys, like I said, some of you guys have been I feel that some of you guys were really emotional, okay? Really emotional. You as a person has been really emotional, and I feel that at certain point of time you realize that people were taking disadvantage of your nature, okay? They were misinterpreting your silence, okay? And that's when you decided to you decided to put your foot down, and you decided no more, like no more, absolutely. And that is when you change from Queen of Cups to Queen of Swords. Incidentally, Queen of Swords has not shown up in the reading, but yes, I also feel that some of you guys have been overtly concerned about your family, your kids. Especially you have been like a little obsessed about the well-being of your family and kids is what I'm getting, okay? Yes, it's like whether you are kind of little obsessed whether I'm giving good nutrition to my kid, whether my kid is healthy, whether I'm teaching my kid right things, that kind of energy I'm getting. Overtly protective and overtly sensitive towards kids and families, what I'm getting for some of you guys. For some of you guys, you are like you have decided to take a break, you have decided to take a step back, and you have decided to enjoy your what do I say, it's like work hard and party hard. You are in the stage or in the phase of work hard, party hard in energy, okay? You are enjoying the financial freedom that you have, you are enjoying the financial bliss that you have, and all the perks and gains and the independence, okay? That's what I'm getting. You might go on a vacation as well for us, is what I'm thinking, or rather getting, not thinking, rather getting, okay? Some of you guys might take a break and just go on a vacation is what I'm getting. Some of you guys could also go on go on a girls trip is what I am seeing, or it could also be a solo trip as well for some of you guys. But yes, it's your conscious decision that I am seeing over here to take a step back and from the routine and spend some time alone with yourself, which is a very very good thing, Libras. If you are planning to do so, please do that. Okay, do not cancel that. I have done that recently and trust me, it works miracles. Taking a break, taking a step back from your daily routine definitely helps. Okay, for some of you guys I really and strongly feel that you are this Seven of Wands, when I'm seeing the Seven of Wands and the Hermit energy turned over this side. Okay, I feel that some of you guys might be a little stubborn and adamant. Okay, this was what I was getting in terms in while pre-shuffling also, and I do not see that this is any external energy. I feel that it is your energy. You're struggling, or you're putting too much efforts into putting your point across. Okay, see, Libras, you are an air sign. You are a sign of communication. Okay, communicating right things at the right time and in the right manner is very very important. But please make sure that you are not tripping on the point of being stubborn. Like, do not get into the energy of my way or highway. Okay, that could actually ruin the things is what I'm getting. Okay, and also I feel that for you guys probably need to see the situation from a different angle. Okay, it's no point seeing the situation only from where you're standing. Okay, there could be other side of the story as well. So please do take a step back and try to introspect a little, try to dig deep within and try to ask yourself, okay, am I missing out on anything? Am I not seeing something which I should be seeing? Okay, rather than focusing on what you think is right, try to see other person's opinion or point of view as well. Okay, that could really help you solve this conflict. Definitely some of you guys are waiting for something in terms of work front. I feel that you guys might be waiting for a promotion or appraisal at your workplace. I also feel that this wait period is something that you're going to use as a decision factor for your future actions. Like for example, it could be the case that if I don't get promotion this time, or if I do not get the acknowledgement that I deserve this time, I'm going to look for another opportunity. Okay, that is the kind of energy that is coming in strongly. And I also sense that this fight is about that, like you might really fight out for your promotion or some sort of acknowledgement at your workplace is what I'm getting. Some of you guys, please do be very careful about your expenditure. Okay, Nine of Pentacles switching to Seven of Pentacles. Make sure that you are mindful of your expenditure. Yes, do take break, do spend on yourself. Okay, pamper yourself, there is nothing wrong in that, but at the same time make sure that you are not overindulging or over spending over at the same time. Okay, that is the kind of energy I'm getting, Libras. Very interesting energy at that. Strength card, Nine of Wands card. So yeah, whenever when I'm seeing the Strength card, I feel, like I said while pre-shuffling, I feel that some of you guys have, all of a sudden woken up. Okay, it's like you were in this Queen of Swords and Queen of Cups energy till now, very subdued and very dormant. Okay, but all of a sudden you have woken up and you are like, no, I do not want this. Okay, I do not accept this. Okay, and you have like started fighting things back. Okay, you have started pushing things back. It is very much required many a times. Okay, but at the same time make sure that you are not tripping on being stubborn. That's the message that is coming very strongly to me, guys. Some of you guys are really tired and exhausted. This whatever this Seven of Wands is about, whatever this struggle is about, it is actually pulling your energies down. Let's clarify what this conflict is about. Let's clarify some what are the Libras stressed about? What are the Libras stressed about? Oops. Ace of Wands. Yeah, I feel guys you could be really I feel that you guys probably are working too hard. You're overworking is what probably I'm seeing. You're too much behind chasing your dreams, so much so that it is actually bringing your energies down. Okay, it is actually leaving you completely and totally exerted. For some of you guys, I'm also getting that there is something new that you are trying to bring to the table in terms of idea, in terms of execution, but your voice is not being heard, and that is what is causing conflict for you guys. Okay, you are really feeling very much frustrated because of that. It's like, I have this good idea, I have this suggestion, I have this new thing that I want to bring to the table or want to implement, but so for some reasons my voice is not heard. So for some reasons I'm not getting that opportunity, and that is what is making me frustrated. That kind of energy I'm getting over here. What's the, yeah, Two of Wands and the World. Some of you guys might you guys might be planning to travel somewhere. Okay, that's what I'm getting, guys. It could be an overseas travel. The vacation that you're planning could be an overseas vacation. Okay, overseas trip. I also feel that some of you guys might be looking for an opportunity elsewhere. Okay, job opportunity elsewhere. You might also move or travel to pursue a job opportunity across the globe, or relocate somewhere for work purposes is what I'm getting. Some of you guys, I feel, also could be having what do I say, you could also be interacting with someone on social media, internet, dating apps. Okay, you might be interacting with someone who is from a different community, race altogether. Okay, a different nationality is what I'm getting. But yes, I feel a lot of communication happening between two people over here. What is the advice for my lovely Libras? What is the advice for my lovely Libras? That's quite an interesting reading, by the way. A breather from whatever readings that I have done for this month. Nothing intense, nothing stressful. What's the advice for my lovely Libras? Justice, yeah, Justice and Knight of Swords. Yes, so guys, the advice is that make sure that you strike the right balance. Okay, like I said, it's definitely important to communicate things, but it's also important that how you do that. Make sure that you are not the one who is coming out as someone who just wants his or her opinions to be considered or voice to be heard. Okay, so try to strike a balance, guys. I also feel that if you guys are waiting for some things, some paperwork, some visa to come through, or even if it's a new job offer letter that you want to come through, or any property related work to come through, make sure, I am sure you're going to get it very soon. Okay, in upcoming months. Libra, you're showing up in your own energy. There is a loud cry for striking balance is what I'm getting. Okay, have a fair deal. Okay, try to see all angles of the situation is what I'm getting through this Justice card. Four of Wands. Finally, I feel that some of you guys might be attending any social event, because there was Three of Cups also that I had. Yeah, Three of Cups. Some sort of social event, social gathering, which wherein all the friends and family will come together. It could be a housewarming party, it could be a wedding, it could be an engagement. Okay, but yes, I also feel that some of you guys might travel to attend this social event is what I'm seeing. Okay, the travel could be planned for this also. You might travel to attend someone's wedding, engagement, or whatever it is. But yes, there is some sort of socialization and party happening over here, which is a good thing. Some celebration. So Libras, let's pull some oracle cards for you guys and see what additional messages we have for you guys. Confidence is your key to success. I think I had seen this while shuffling also. Yes, you guys, definitely. And there was Chariot card that was coming continuously while pre-shuffling. So there is going to be forward movement in whatever that you're stuck currently, or you're feeling stuck into. So be assured that things are going to gain momentum. Okay, and keep on moving ahead confidently. there is strength card also, and there is this new moon in Leo card, which is giving the same kind of message, that have faith and have confidence. Work through your fears and step out of your comfort zone. Wow, lovely message, guys. You are good enough. Yeah, like I said, some of you guys are getting into that energy wherein you are gaining your confidence back. You are coming up into your element. Okay, you are moving, trading forward with confidence. Okay, you guys definitely need to step out of your comfort zone and work through your fears. The strength card and this card are giving the same message. If at all you are not feeling confident about anything, you don't have to worry, guys. You are good enough. Okay, all you need to do is go an extra mile out of your comfort zone, show courage, work through your fears, and have confidence in your abilities. All the messages are related, guys, to whoever needs to hear this. Know that you are good enough. Just keep on doing the right actions, or keep on taking the right actions and steps. Anything else for my lovely Libras from this particular deck? Watch your thoughts. It's important only to think about what you desire, not what you fear. So guys, if you are indulging into negative self dialogue, please don't do that. Okay, you really don't have to be fearful about anything. Just have faith and have confidence in yourself. Okay, and you're going to be absolutely fine. Okay, because while pre-shuffling I saw devil and magician card together. I forgot to tell you that someone might end up negative manifesting. Okay, please do not do that. Do watch your thoughts. It's very important. Okay, and something has just popped out. Let me see what it is. Protection. Your loved ones and your possessions are safe and protected by heaven. Wow, what a lovely message and confirmation by the angels. Thank you, angels and universe. Like I said, so I sense someone who is being really overtly concerned and sensitive about his or her family and loved ones. Okay, so the angels are giving you assurance that there is nothing to worry. They are very much safe and protected and watched over. Wow, what a lovely confirmation, and I really thank my spirit guides for this confirmation for my lovely Libras. Let's pull some charms and call this a reading. I rarely pull this card, and it's showing up this time is definitely the spirit guides really want you to be assured. Okay, yeah. So guys, like I said, this is camel, and when I said be careful about your expenditure, this camel is telling me that yes, if you are overspending, please be little mindful. Okay, save for the rainy day and then spend. Okay, always invest first and then spend. Okay, that's the ground rule, and that has shown up again. And every hair from fair some lines declines. If at all you are feeling any red flags about something, some situation, please be mindful of that and do not end up ignoring any red flags all along. Okay, strength charm has shown up. Strong is beautiful. Definitely guys, you are strong, you are beautiful, you have it in you. Okay, there is nothing to worry about. Just be confident and have faith in your abilities. A sister is someone to dream, cry, sing, laugh with. Wow, I absolutely love this charm. I absolutely find it very cute. So this is about siblings, love, sister, brother, whatever it is, take how it resonates. But I absolutely love when I get this charm, guys. Horse, like I said, there is definitely going to be a lot of forward movement and progress in whatever that has been stuck for you guys till now. Okay, so whatever, like I said, if your paperwork was stuck for some reasons, or anything that you were waiting on to for any legal work for that matter, it is going to come through very soon for you guys. Owl, it's a symbol of money in Indian mythology, and I feel that for some of you guys, you are going to get a lot of money in the upcoming months, weeks and days. Okay, and the charms are, please don't tell me it is cute. Oh my goodness, this is my stalker charm. I have pulled this initial almost in every reading that I have done for this month. I do not know why letter Q has or wants to be shown up in every reading of mine. So if at all it means anything to you guys, and there is letter U, okay, if at all this means anything to you. So Libras, it was a very wonderful reading, very lovely reading. I really loved the energy of this reading. It was quite light, unlike all the other signs that I have done for this month. So I leave it at that. If any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, please do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences. Last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.